There's no doubt that Makita is one of the leading power tool manufacturers in the world. They offer an extensive range of tools for every professional and DIYers. So, in today's video, we'll show you some coolest Makita tools you must own. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable pressure washer for outdoor cleaning jobs, this Makita DHW080 pressure washer will be a life-changing solution. This portable pressure washer offers plenty of power to handle even the toughest patio washing jobs. It features an electronic 2-speed mechanism that allows you to get the needed water pressure regarding the surface. Despite having a bulky look, this high-pressure washer produces as low noise as possible. Meanwhile, the effective brushless motor generates up to 5.5 MPa of regular pressure for quick cleaning. Apart from that, it packs numerous accessories that you can attach for individual cleaning applications. When the operation is done, you can easily drain the remaining water in the tank. Cool, isn't it? Sanding is one of the most crucial tasks that's not a cup of tea for everyone. With that in mind, Makita designed these DBO 380 and DBO 381 finishing sanders with the topmost power and lightweight ergonomics for both professionals and DIYers. This sander features a rigid aluminum foot with a standard sponge sleeve and an ergonomic rubberized handle that lets you operate with maximum comfort. Plus, it allows you to control the speed between 3 modes, achieving the best finished look for your project. Surprisingly enough, it gives you exceptional runtime for big projects, even on some busy DIY days, too. No wonder the high-capacity dust box will save you from all the unwanted specks of dirt. A heat gun is a godsend tool for speeding up the drying process when you've just finished painting a wall or other related tasks. Meet the DHG 181 and DHG 180 heat guns from Makita that not only makes the heating process safer, but also makes them easier. Since an 18-volt LXT Li ion battery powers both these guns, they provide a great runtime and have a maximum power capacity of up to 550 degrees air temperature. These heat guns are compatible with various nozzles and feature an air temperature dial, meaning your every application will be more precise and accurate. Let's not skip the comfy ergonomics and convenient trigger switch. You'll get the maximum control over your tool. These guns simply let you tackle wide tasks like soldering sleeves, bending tubes, removing vinyl, and many more that you can think of. All right, here's something cool. This thing you see here, it's Makita's job site radio with a flashlight. Yep, Makita tried to put a piece of innovation for your outdoor trips and busy job sites. First, the lantern has 2 stages of brightness settings and 3 light tones, so you can bring the desired atmosphere your surroundings demand. Secondly, the radio has a convenient control panel for audio settings, and you'll get all the information on its LCD display. Oh, there's also a foldable hanging hook that allows safe storing and easy carrying facilities around your job site or campsite. Thanks to the built-in USB ports, you can also charge your electronic devices. A single tool, too many features. Often, cleaning large areas takes a huge time, which you may not have available. That's why Makita redesigned this DRC 200 vacuum cleaner that cleans independently without any constant command. This is a powerful and efficient cleaner, suitable for all your home and commercial use. The best thing about this vacuum cleaner is it has up to 200 minutes of runtime, which makes it ideal for big cleaning jobs. Plus, the unique cleaning system and 2.5-liter dust box stand for maximum convenience on every job. It also features a bumper switch, cliff sensor, and boundary line tape that helps you to maintain ultimate precision from job to job while extending the tool life. The DRC 200 has two different modes of cleaning: the pattern mode for large open areas and the random mode for areas with more obstacles. Number 5. Makita DUT-130 Brushless Mixing Drill. Every construction pro will love this tool. This Makita DUT-130 is a stable yet powerful mixing drill built for mixing drywall mud, cement, grout, mortar, and other heavy-duty construction materials. Despite having great ergonomics for comfort, this tool is made to withstand any harsh job site conditions. Thanks to the enclosed battery compartment, you won't have to face any difficulties in operation. On top of that, the heavy-duty switch cover and splash guard keeps your mixer away from flying mortars. After completing the job, you can detach each part of the tool and get it washed perfectly. This mixing drill offers you continuous runtime of up to 50 minutes for large projects. And the comfy side handle maximizes stability for the toughest job. Home renovations can be frustrating, especially when it comes to drywall sanding. Of course, you don't want to complete that with bare hands, so you better go with this Makita DSL 800 drywall sander, which is an excellent solution for sanding surfaces quickly and efficiently. First things first, this sander comes with a balanced design and stable ergonomics, so you can easily handle overhead applications too. Another pro of this sander is the 35 minutes of runtime, which allows you to complete large drywall sanding projects with a single charge. The best thing about this sander is it provides around 2.1 meters overall length, meaning you don't need to climb a ladder again and again. Plus, the variable speed trigger lets you adjust the sanding speed so that you can bring a smoother look onto the wall. It's obvious that you need a reliable work light when your project involves some nighttime work, and this Makita upright area work light will be an ideal choice for any professional who often meets harsh job sites. This work light features a unique rounded base design to ensure absolute self-balance and remains upright even after getting some knock. Plus, it has 3 lighting outputs that can be selected on its front panel. The best pro of this upright work light is that it has a great coverage of 180 degrees, making it an ideal solution for demanding job sites. Not just that, this work light also features 2 battery terminals that let you get superb runtime for prolonged use. Hold on, it has a IP54 rating that makes the work light absolutely water resistant. Well, you can count this tool as both a portable fridge and an oven. Don't get confused. This is a cordless cooler and warmer box from Makita that lets you keep your beverages and other stuff cool around the job site, even hot when in need. This portable cooler has 2 18-volt battery slots to provide you with huge runtime and a USB charging port to keep your other electronics juiced up outdoors. Plus, it has a convenient LED screen and control buttons which allow you to adjust the temperature. With a substantial storage capacity, this tool lets you keep a bunch of cold drink bottles there for all your mates. Oh, wait a minute. The transport wheel and carry handle make maneuvering a breeze. No wonder an automotive detail shop remains incomplete without an efficient random orbit polisher. This is the Makita PO5000C dual action polisher, engineered with unique technology that provides random orbits with forced rotation and random orbits with free rotation. This polisher is ideal for multiple applications like polishing, waxing, buffing, and more. Plus, it equips with a 7.8 amp motor that generates great rotational power to tackle every application around the workshop. Oh, there's also a speed control dial that enables you to match the speed according to the surfaces. Another feature worth mentioning, this polisher is designed with a rubber tool rest that allows you to place the tool upside down. Meanwhile, the durable construction, intake cover, and soft start mechanism simply extend the total tool life. Okay, that was the list of the coolest Makita tools you must own. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.